In this video, we'll explore 11 Ayurvedic food combinations that you must try that are as fascinating as they are beneficial. Join us as we delve into the secrets of Ayurvedic cuisine and unlock the transformative potential of these extraordinary food pairings. Number 1. Ghee and turmeric. Ghee, known for its digestive benefits, enhances the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Combining these two ingredients not only improves digestion but also supports joint health and overall well-being. Number 2. Ginger and lemon. Ginger and lemon have long been used in Ayurveda for their digestive and detoxifying properties. Ginger helps stimulate digestion and alleviate digestive discomfort, while lemon aids in cleansing the system and boosting the immune system. Together, they create a refreshing and invigorating combination. Before we move on to number 3, we want to remind you that your support keeps us going, so please consider hitting the like button to show your interest in topics like this. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Number 3. Triphala and honey. Triphala, a blend of 3 Ayurvedic herbs, amla, haritaki, and bibataki, combined with honey, acts as a gentle and effective digestive tonic. Amla, the Indian gooseberry, brings potent antioxidant properties and supports colon health. Bibataki, a blood-forming fruit, nourishes vital organs like the lungs, heart, kidneys, and liver. Haritaki acts as a brain tonic, promoting digestion and gut well-being. When this combination, triphala, is combined with honey, it supports regular bowel movements, detoxification, and overall gut health. The addition of honey enhances its taste and adds antimicrobial properties. Number 4. Mung beans and rice. Mung beans and rice, when combined, create a well-balanced and nutritious meal. Mung beans are rich in protein, fiber, and antioxidants, while rice provides energy and sustenance. This combination is easy to digest, promotes satiety, and provides a complete amino acid profile, making it an excellent option for a wholesome and satisfying meal. Number 5. Cumin and coriander. Cumin and coriander seeds are commonly used in Ayurvedic cooking for their digestive benefits. They help stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, alleviate bloating and gas, and improve overall digestion. These spices can be used in various dishes or consumed as a tea for their therapeutic effects. Number 6. Cardamom and cinnamon. Cardamom and cinnamon are aromatic spices known for their digestive and warming properties. They aid digestion, help balance blood sugar levels, and add a delightful flavor to both sweet and savory dishes. This combination is often used in Ayurvedic cuisine to enhance taste and promote digestive wellness. Number 7. Fennel and mint. Fennel and mint are known for their carminative properties, which help alleviate digestive discomfort and soothe the digestive system. They relieve indigestion, bloating, and gas, making them ideal choices after a heavy meal. Fennel seeds can be chewed, and mint can be consumed as a tea or added to dishes for their refreshing benefits. Number 8. Milk and dates. Milk and dates form a nourishing combination rich in essential nutrients. Dates provide natural sugars for quick energy, while milk offers a good source of protein and calcium. This combination is known for its revitalizing properties, promoting muscle strength, and supporting overall vitality. Number 9. Saffron and milk. Saffron, the exotic spice derived from the crocus flower, when added to warm milk, offers a calming and mood-enhancing effect. It promotes relaxation, reduces stress and anxiety, and supports healthy sleep patterns. This combination is often enjoyed as a soothing nighttime drink. Number 10. Ashwagandha and warm milk. Ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb, when mixed with warm milk, acts as a calming and rejuvenating tonic. It helps reduce stress, support the nervous system, and promote restful sleep. This combination is often used as a natural remedy for managing stress and promoting overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration of Ayurvedic food combinations. We hope you've gained valuable insights into the power of combining specific ingredients to enhance your well-being. By incorporating these Ayurvedic principles into your diet, you can nourish your body, support digestion, boost immunity, and promote overall vitality. Remember, Ayurveda is a personalized approach to health, so it's important to listen to your body and adapt these combinations according to your individual needs and preferences. Experiment with different flavors, spices, and ingredients to create a harmonious balance that suits you best. We encourage you to continue your Ayurvedic journey by exploring more recipes, ingredients, and cooking techniques. Embrace the wisdom of this ancient tradition and let food be your medicine. By nourishing yourself with conscious food choices, you can create a strong foundation for optimal health and well-being. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you next time.